Hey everybody, welcome back to another Trades and Gains market recap. I'm your host, Max Pitts, and today we're going to take a look at the biggest market moves and insights to power up your portfolio. Monday's market action was a complete roller coaster from Nvidia's Tumble to Chinese stocks skyrocketing. There's plenty to dive into, so let's just get into it. So to start with the big picture, the major averages cooled off today. The Dow Jones Industrial, which we can pull up here, saw a 0.54% loss today. The S&P 500 saw a 0.61% loss today. And the NASDAQ Composite saw a 0.62% loss. And it comes down to a few key headlines why we saw our indexes plummeting. First, Nvidia took a hit. Leading the charge downward was Nvidia. It slid 2.5% after Chinese regulators launched an anti-monopoly investigation into the AI chip king. China's move puts Nvidia smack in the middle of an escalating US-China tech rivalry. This isn't just about chips, it's about geopolitics, and the markets aren't taking it lightly. So what's the key takeaway for investors? Nvidia's leadership in AI remains strong, but short-term headwinds like this could rattle the stock further. If you're holding Nvidia, keep your eyes peeled for updates on this probe. Next, we have Chinese stocks soaring. So while Nvidia slipped, Chinese stocks roared. Alibaba soared, XPeng took off, and the Nasdaq Golden Dragon China Index jumped more than 9%. But what's driving this rally? Beijing announced bold monetary easing measures, signaling it's ready to pull out all the stops to boost its economy. For traders looking to capitalize on this momentum, Chinese tech could be a short-term play. But tread carefully. Geopolitical risks like tariffs from incoming U.S. administration still loom large. Now next, we have the November Consumer Price Index dropping on Wednesday. This is a big deal because it will set the stage for the Fed's final rate cut decision of 2024. Economists expect headline inflation to tick up slightly to 2.7% annually, but anything above or below that could swing the markets. My hot take, if CPI surprises on the high side, expect a sell-off in rate-sensitive sectors like tech and real estate. A cooler reading, though, could fuel another rally. And let's wrap up today's session with a trade idea. XPeng, or XPEV, with Beijing signaling aggressive stimulus and the stock riding strong momentum, this EV maker could see short-term gains. Just remember, set tight stop losses to protect yourself from volatility. And that's all we have for today's recap. From Nvidia's challenges to Chinese stocks taking off, and the inflation report on the horizon, it's clear this week is going to be packed with action. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish heading into the CPI report? And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications to stay in the loop. Until next time, happy trading, and I will see you all tomorrow for our options stream that we run daily and for Milky Filky's morning stream as well.